Mga kaibigan, so I'm so happy to be back doing a vlog. Medyo nagpahinga po ako ng mahigit isang araw dahil napagod po ako at medyo masama ang pakiramdam ko kahapon tsaka gabi. Pero right now I'm back, and have you heard the latest about 6G technology? 6G, the end times and the Antichrist. Yan po ang topic natin ngayon. Meron po akong 5 punto mula sa Biblia. Okay, mga tinatawag nating verses. Points at the same time with verses. Hindi tayo pwede magbigay dito ng parang, binigay ko lang yung kahulugan ng 6G without even explaining the verses connected unto it. Isa na po tayo. A global system of control is being built. 6G will connect every person on earth, everywhere, all the time. Alam niyo po ba yun? Wala nang buffering yan. Because every person on earth will be connected, everywhere, all the time. Ito pa, many Christians see this, including me. Many Christians see this as the groundwork for the Antichrist one world system. Sinabi ko na po sa inyo rito kung dadalawin niyo yung mga lumang vlogs natin. May sinabi ako na meron na pong hinahandang sistema para sa Antikristo. The only thing na gagawin ni Antichrist is lumabas na lang po siya. Ito po pala yon para sa kanyang one world system. 6G. Remember, it's 6. 6. Exactly as prophesied, a network that can monitor and control all people. Oh my Lord, it's coming. He causes all. Ito, Revelation 13:16-17. Ito ang verse ko sa inyo. He causes all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and slave, to receive a mark on their right hand or in their foreheads. It's either sa kamay yan o sa forehead, no? Sa noo. And that no one may buy or sell except one who has the mark. This is it. And alam niyo po ba itong 6G? Maski doon sa mga pinaka-remote na area, pwede kang ma-detect. Pinag-aralan ko to kahapon. Doon sa halimbawa, sabihin mo, ay baryotic, baryong-baryo yan eh. Napakalayo sa kabihasnan yan eh. Madi-detect ka dyan using 6G. Kaya nga po, pagdating ng panahon na yun, wala akong kawala. And no one may buy or sell except the one who has the mark. Revelation 13:16-17. Susunod. People are being conditioned to accept technology inside their bodies. This will be it, my friends. Alam niyo, iba yung nagbabasa ka ng Bible kasi pag may pinakita sila sa, halimbawa sa social media, about 6G, binasa mo, teka lang. Alam ko to di ba? Ano yung una natin? Unang point, a global system of control is being built. Point number 2, people are being conditioned to accept technology inside their bodies. Pakinggan nyo to. 6G is designed to connect directly to devices or on inside the human body. Di ba kayo nangingilabot? People are slowly getting used to having technology attached to them. A habit that could prepare the world to accept the mark of the beast without resistance. Sino natutulog dito nakatabi yung telepono? Ako po yun. Dati. No? Pero nalaman ko, hindi pala maganda sa health. Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Romans 12:2. Okay, dati ang hobby natin, paggising natin, mag-pray, kunin ang Bible. Ngayon, cellphone mo lang hawak natin. Aminin na po natin yan. Huwag tayong ang tawag doon? Hipokrito. Okay, number 3. Total surveillance. Ito, nangingilabot ako dito sa point na ito. Nangingilabot ako rito. Total surveillance. Nowhere to hide. Yung sabi ko po sa inyo kanina, kaliit-liitang place. Taguan mo man, talagang madedetect ni Antichrist yung mga ayaw magpatatak sa kanya. Walang mapagtataguan. With 6G's speed and satellite reach, no place will be truly private. The matches, or should I say, this matches the Bible's warning of a coming one world ruler who will see, track, and control everyone on earth. A level of power only possible with advanced technology. With the 5G, it's too impossible for him to do that. No, may mga ibang lugar ang 5G na hindi kaya eh. Kaya alam niyo ba yung 6G is 100 times better than 5G? 6G is 100 times better than 5G. Palagay ko this will be the last G. Wala na siguro magiging 7G kasi end time na talaga. For me ewan ko lang po sa inyo. Paki-comment naman po sa baba please. I want your reaction. Okay, Luke 12:2. For there is nothing hidden that will not be disclosed, and nothing concealed that will not be known or brought out into the open. Itong Bible na to, Luke 12, tungkol ito sa Diyos. Pero ito po, pwede mong i-apply ngayon sa nangyayari sa 6G. Lahat maaabot ng 6G. Susunod. Number 4 na po tayo. Nakatutok ba kayo dito? Okay na. Mabilis lang po tayo. Number 4, a cashless ID-based economy. Exactly as foretold. TikTok itong ginamit ko kasi mas maganda ang tunog. Pag napapakinggan nyo, mas pulido. A cashless ID-based economy. Cashless. It's a cashless one, my friends. Exactly as foretold in the book of Revelation. 6G enables digital identity and buying and selling without cash. Nung una for protection, siguro takot ka sa mga hold-upper, mga snatcher and all that, snatch ang pera mo. Kaya pag narinig mo tungkol sa cashless society way back in the late 1990s, that's heaven. Ay oo nga, no? Hindi na ako magdadala ng ika ng ng aking pera dahil, di ba, cashless na. Pero alam nyo, ito na yun. Pakinggan nyo a cashless ID. Base economy exactly as foretold in the Bible. 6G enables digital identity and buying and selling without a cash, controlled through a global network. Pag sinabi pong global network dito, I mean it's true global network. May control. Nakamasid. Lahat alam. Walang palya. Sa ngayon, pwedeng pumalya ang 5G, sabi nung iba eh. Pero ngayon, itong 6G, hindi papalya ito. Mga kaibigan ko, kaya this is the best time ma-born again na po kayo, makasama sa rapture. Mahirap po talaga. I'm telling you. The Bible said, the beast will control all trade. Lahat ng anumang sangay, ng mga kalakaran, lahat makakapasok ang beast, ang Antikristo. Kukontrolin nga niya ang mundo. You cannot buy or sell without his mark. Ito yung 666, the number of a man. Kaya nga po, tingnan natin mabuti. This makes 6G possible on a worldwide scale. Possible na possible si 6G. Inaaral ko nga kahapon, sabi ko, wow. Palagay ko ito ng last, wala na magiging 7G dahil na-rapture na tayo noon. And that no one may buy or sell except one who has the mark or the name of the beast or the number of his name. Talaga naman po. Talagang naka-exclusive sa kanya. Bilisan natin dahil ang TikTok nagmamadali yung oras. Pag exciting, mabilis Knowledge increases, but so does the danger. Haha! Talaga. Pero sa ating mga Kristyano, danger pa ba yung alam na natin mangyayari? I don't think so. Dahil iba na po nag-aaral. Kung hindi ka nag-aaral, masyasyak ka dito. Bahala ka. Knowledge increases, but so does the danger. The prophet Daniel was told in the end times, knowledge would increase. Di ba? Si Daniel, dati ang pangangaral namin dito, pagka sineshare namin to dati, ay magkakaroon ng mga eroplano, ng mga kotse, mga ganyan. Pero nung dumalim ako sa eschatology, this is it. Ito yun. The prophet Daniel was told that in the end times, knowledge would increase. We are seeing that right now, my friends. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Technology is a gift from the Lord. But when used to replace the Lord's control over people, that's bad. Dahil hindi na si Lord na nagko-control sa'yo. Okay? At na nagko-control na tao, hindi na po maganda yun. Yun na po yung control ng Antikristo. It becomes the very tool the Antichrist will use. O panghuling verse, but you, Daniel, shut up the words and seal the book until the time of the end. Many shall run and fro, and knowledge shall increase. Maliwanag po mga kaibigan, hindi masama ang technology. Sumasama lang kung paano natin ito gamitin. At alam natin, gagamitin ito ng Antikristo sa huling panahon. God bless. Thank you.